Hi, if you haven't been here before, my name is Chuck Tuck, and today we're going to take a look at the M11-8M document camera. We're going to take a look at the on-screen display, which is going to be viewed through the HDMI output of the document camera. So be sure you have that connected to a monitor. The reason we're going to take a look at this is if you've ever been in that situation where you want to show the entire textbook or page and you're not quite getting all of that viewing area. Well, changing this resolution from normal to the highest setting is going to allow you to capture a larger area. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that we are at our computer, let's take a look at how we're going to do this. I have my M11-8M document camera connected via HDMI to my monitor. Now, in order to power your M11-8M document camera, you need to have the USB cable connected to your computer as well. You can also have that going out to a wall outlet if you'd like. So how are we going to do this? First of all, you want to press and hold the lamp or the light button for about 2 seconds on the document camera. When we do this, you're going to see an on-screen display pop up here, and it's going to say image, presentation, setting, playback, and so forth. You want to make sure that you're in image. You're going to press the AF button. The autofocus is going to be the enter. Press that, and then it changes and it gives you more options. We want to make sure that we go down to where it says preview mode. You're going to use the plus and minus, the zoom in and zoom out keys on your document camera. The zoom out or the minus is going to allow you to scroll down. We're going to go to where it says preview mode. Now right now we're in normal default mode. We're going to press the AF autofocus button once again for enter, and then it gives us 3 options. We have normal, motion, and high quality. Now take a look at the image here, and you see that we see the magazine here, and we don't quite see the entire magazine. So I'm going to press the autofocus. Well, first I'm going to scroll down to highlight the high quality. Press the autofocus. It'll take a moment here, and then you're going to notice that you're now able to see the entire book, the entire magazine. In fact, even a much larger area. Use the lamp button again to back out, and there you go. It makes a huge difference, and you notice with that high quality too, there is no delay at all. If for any reason that you want to go back to the normal mode, you can do that. Once again, press the lamp button to enter the on-screen display. When that shows up, keep it in image, press AF for enter, and your minus or zoom out key to scroll down to preview mode, autofocus to enter one more time, and then you're just going to want to select normal. Now motion is there, but it's really not needed because of the fact that your high quality image still has no delay. So again, if I go to normal, I'm going to press normal now that it's highlighted, autofocus, and you can see that it actually zooms in. There it is. So let me back out. Now, why is it that I'm going to want to, or may want to be in the normal mode? Well, if you want to start out zoomed in, normal mode is probably going to be the best because it's already, zoomed in a little bit. So now you can zoom in even further. And you notice there really is not that much of a noticeable delay at all. So it's very, very good. So it's up to you whether you want to have it on normal or if you want to have it on high quality. You can also play around with the motion part as well. So hopefully this video has helped you out in understanding how you can actually change that image quality size so you can fit an entire book underneath the document camera. Keep in mind though, this is only showing this image, the image size and the change when you're going through the HDMI output. We'll go ahead and take a look at another video using the AVer Touch software and how this is going to work there. So until next time, thanks for watching and please return. Bye-bye.